Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Data science application using More and DL techniques.
Part 1.
A warm welcome to one-day international webinar on data science applications using machine learning and deep learning techniques. By seeing this, data science is the buzzword in the industry right now. So we are using various machine learning and deep learning and artificial intelligence techniques in order to forecast our future business or any sort of applications. Today I'm going to demonstrate various data science applications related to healthcare domain, educational domain, and weather forecasting, Salesforce, sales related applications, time series related applications, traffic data analytics, whatnot. There is no barrier of developing applications by using data science tools and techniques. So before going to my topic, if you have internet, if you have mobile, if you have a system, check with this URL www.internetlivestats.com. This is the URL. Check what is happening within 60 seconds. How many users are connected to this internet world? Can you imagine? Within 60 seconds, 6,94,444 hours watched in the Netflix. 3.8 million such queries are happening within 60 seconds. 1 million users are logged into the Facebook. 18.1 million text messages sent in the 60 seconds. 4.5 million videos viewed in the 60 seconds. Can you imagine? 1.8 million emails sent through Gmail. See, where the data is coming from, how the data is, we are storing a huge volume of data in the servers or data center. Normal systems, normal servers are not enough to store huge volume of data. That's why we are moving towards cloud computing. Can you imagine how many users are connected right now? Please check this URL. If you click this URL, it is redirecting to the internetlivestatistics.com. So it is retrieving number of users. See how many users are connected right now. Can you imagine? See, even I cannot read such a huge volume of number. So 53 billion, 6 million, 61 million, 69,644 internet users in the world. Without internet, even I cannot connect it to you. Internet is a network of networks. Network is a interconnection between the computers in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network. So total number of websites opened in the 60 seconds. Can you read this number? How many emails sent today? Google searches today, blog post written today, tweet sent today. Why I am explaining all these? There is a very important concept involved behind of this internetlivestats.com, that is called data. Data is a raw material. Where the data is coming from? What are the resources? And how do we store a huge volume of data in the system, server, data center? How many servers are required to store huge volume of data? And so behind this data, we are moving towards cloud computing. Cloud computing is a internet-based technology. Cloud computing is a form of distributed computing. Cloud computing is a pay and use technology.
Sir, I think you're muted, sir. Kindly unmute. Right, sir. If you could please repeat 1 minute back.
Yes, madam. So, a huge volume of data we are storing in the server data center, and how many servers are required? The behind, we are using the term called data. Data is a raw material where the data is coming from, and how do we store huge volume of data? That's why we are moving towards cloud computing. Cloud computing is a form of distributed computing. Cloud computing is a pay and use technology. So no need to purchase any physical server. If you want to have a huge computing power, you can take license from the Amazon Web Services. They are paying. If you pay amount, you are getting the service. That's why cloud computing is a latest technology to store a huge volume of data, to store the data, to process the data, to present the data, to interpret the data. So this is a small interpretation of the behind story of internetlivestats.com. Same thing I have incorporated in this slide. How many users are increasing? See now, in our webinar also, so many participants are joining. Still they are joining. So far 146 participants joined for this wonderful session on data.
You are muted, sir.
Without my presence, how it is happening, madam? Yeah. So today, this is the agenda. Today's agenda, I'm going to demonstrate with the practicals. If you are having a laptop with the Wi-Fi facility, that is enough. I'm going to instruct you how to demonstrate various applications of data science. So there are, usually I'm taking all over the world various webinars on data science, cyber security, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, big data, Internet of Things, blockchain technologies. So this data science one among them. 10 subjects I am covering in this today's agenda. Those are introduction to data science, Python programming, Go programming. Any one programming is enough. Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries we are using. Recently, Google company developed one programming language called Go programming language. The prerequisition of data science, we required statistics, artificial intelligence, intelligent behavior in a machine, the science and engineering to develop many intelligent applications by using AI techniques, then followed by the data mining. Data mining is the process of extracting meaningful interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying classification, clustering, and association rule mining techniques, then followed by the artificial neural networks. It is the base concept for machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is nothing but learning from the observational data by using supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.